Please take note that I estimated only the amount of ingredients that I used here according to the size of meat and my preference. Then I wash the meat and then seared it in the pan without oil. I make sure to brown it on both sides. Then I just press the garlic, chop the shallot, then the ginger, and the rest of the ingredients like radish, and tie up our spring onion in this way. Heat a little amount of oil in the pan, then goes the garlic while the oil is not yet hot, then followed by the shallots, then ginger, our beef, water, our soy sauce, oyster sauce, our cooking wine, and we let it simmer for like 1.5 hours to 2 hours until it's tender. Then add in our radish and then the spring onion. Cook for another 15 minutes. Then drop in our coriander leaves, and this is optional, like the bean curd fry. There you go. Here's your beef and radish. So, hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. Let us know what you thought about this in the comment section below.